Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and today's video I'm going to show you complete guide to clearing cache and cookies in Microsoft Edge browser. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are brand new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Right, so the very first thing you want to do is to simply open up your Edge browser. Then after you open up your Edge browser, next thing you need to do is to come to the top right here. Make sure you click on these three dots, and this is going to drop down. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down and make sure you click on settings. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to go to cookies and site permission. Click on that, and it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to come to the top right here and make sure you click on manage and delete cookies and site data. Click on that, and it's going to take you right here. Then click on see all cookies and site data. Click on here, see all cookies and site data. Click on that. Then it's going to take you to all the cookies and site data you have so far on your Edge browser. You can scroll down and then see more right here. Now, if you want to delete by custom, so maybe you want to delete some cookies from a particular site, what you need to do is to simply click on here and then make sure you click on this trash bin and it's going to delete. Click on this trash bin, it's going to delete. Then this Adobe also. So you can see all cookies from this particular Adobe site. So you can click them, delete one after the other. If you want to get rid of all cookies and the site data from your Edge browser, what you need to do is to simply come to remove all right here. Click on that and clear site data. What you need to do right here is to simply click on this will delete any data on this device for all the site shows right here. So it's simple. So what you need to do is to simply click on clear all site data, and all the site cookies is going to be deleted without any stress. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.